Now I'm going to create a collection class, a new class called fruit stand. And the fruit stand is going to be a class that holds all of my fruit, just like a real fruit stand. But things that I want to do to my fruit, like update the quantity or create new fruit, updating the quantity I can do with each individual fruit. My fruit stand is going to not only hold all of the fruit, but it's going to contain the methods that deal with managing fruit. If I want to add a new fruit to my fruit stand, it's going to be the fruit stand object that controls that because it holds the collection. So let's create the initialization method for this. And when I create a new fruit stand, I am going to create li fruit or self.li fruit equals an empty array, because that array is what's going to hold the fruit objects as I create this.